Vidura College, Grade 3, Mathematics, Division 3. Hi children, today we are learning long division. Before learning long division, let's revise multiplication of 2. Say with me, 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 2, 6, 4 times 2, 8, 5 times 2, 10, 6 times 2, 12, 7 times 2, 14, 8 times 2, 16, 9 times 2, 18, 10 times 2, 20. Now, let us divide a simple number by 2. 6 divide 2. 6 divide 2 is 3. That means if we divide 6 apples equally among 2 children, one child will get 3 apples. Now look at this. But when dividing larger numbers, we use long division. To remember the steps of long division, you can follow D, M, S, B. D for division, M for multiplication, S for subtraction, B for bring down. D, M, S, B. Look at the following example. 68 divide 2. First you can write the numbers as follow. Then you can write the multiplication table aside of your book. Then you can write D, M, S, B, the steps of long division. First, what you have to do? First, you have to divide. Divide 6 by 2. 6 by 2, the answer is 3. Write 3 top of 6. Then, you have to multiply. Multiply 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Write 6 under number 6. Then you have to subtract. Subtract 6 from 6. 6 subtract 6, answer is 0. Then you have to bring 8 down. Then again you can follow D, M, S, B. First, divide 8 by 2. 8 divide 2 is 4. Write 4 top of 8. Then multiply 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Then subtract. 8 subtract 8 is 0. Now, when you divide 68 by 2, what is the answer? The answer is 34. Now, let's try to divide numbers with remainders. Look at the following number. Number 7. Let us divide it now by 2. 7 divide 2. Number 7 is not a multiple of 2. Example, 7 divide 2. Let's try to divide 7 cookies among 2 children. When we divide 7 cookies among 2 children, one child will get 3 cookies, but 1 cookie will be left over. Now, let's see how to divide 7 by 2 using the long division method. First, you can write the numbers as follows. Then you can write the multiplication table aside of your book. Then you can write D, M, S, B, the steps of long division. Let's solve this question. Step 1. Divide 7 by 2. 7 is not a multiple of 2, but 7 is greater than 2. So, how many 2's are there in 7? Step 2. We can divide 7 by 2. 3 2's make 6. Look at the multiplication table. I can show you it by like this. When we put 7 stars in groups of 2, we will get 3 groups and 1 star will be left. Step 3. Write answer 3 on 7. Step 4. Multiply 3 by 2. 3 times 2, 6. Step 5. Write 6 under 7. Step 6. Subtract 6 from 7. 7 subtract 6 is 1. Step 7. Write the answer. The answer is 3 and remainder 1. Now, let's see how to divide 47 by 2 using the long division method. First, you can write D, N, S, B. Then write the numbers as follows. If you want, you can write the multiplication table aside of your book. First, divide. 4 divided 2 is 2. Write 2 on 4. Then multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Write 4 under 4. Next, subtract. 4 subtract 4 is 0. Write 0 as I shown on the screen. After that, bring 7 down. Then divide. 7 divide 2. 7 is not a multiple of 2, but it is greater than 2. How many 2's are there in 7? We take the closest multiple. It is 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Write 3 on 7. Multiply. Multiply 2 and 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Write 6 under 7. Next, subtract. 7 subtract 6 is 1. Finally, you can write the answer. The answer is 23 and remainder 1. Now, let's divide 35 by 2 using the long division method. Step 1. First, divide. 3 divide 2. 3 is not a multiple of 2. Then how many 2's are there in 3? We take the closest multiple. It is 1 times 2. Write 1 on number 3. Step 2. Multiply 2 and 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Write number 2 under 3. Step 3. Subtract 2 from 3. 3 subtract 2 is 1. Step 4. Bring 5 down. Step 5. Now we have to divide 15 by 2. 15 is not a multiple of 2, but 15 is greater than 2. So how many 2's are there in 15? We take the closest multiple. That is 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. So we can write 7 on number 5. Step 6. Multiply 2 by 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Write 14 under 15. Step 7. Finally, subtract 14 from 15. 15 subtract 14 is 1. Now we have finished finding the answer. When we divide 35 by 2, the answer is 17 and remainder 1. Now children, try to do the following exercises. Number 1, 23 divide 2. Number 2, 78 divide 2. Number 3, 97 divide 2. Now you can check your answers with the teacher's answers. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye children. Stay safe.